Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, I'm at the Indian grocery store. God, I don't even remember last time when I came to this particular grocery store. So, I used to come here a lot before, but then the same owner opened the store somewhere close by from my house. I wouldn't say that close because this one takes about 45 minutes, the other one take half an hour, so it's kind of more or less same. But the reason I decided to come to this store today is because Mandir is on my way. So I stopped by the Mandir. And then in Asian grocery store is also like in very next plaza. So I was thinking, I was like, Asian market, I don't even remember also last time when I went there, because Indian grocery store do have all the vegetables. So, but still, before I used to go there, because they have more varieties and all that thing, right? So I was like, should I go to this Indian store or should I go to that other one? Because I'm still hesitant to go to Asian market. So I was like, first of all, let me go to this Indian store, and in case if I don't find all the vegetables that I needed, then only I'll go to Asian market. But I don't know why I'm so scared to go to Asian market. But we'll see how it goes. But I did stop by the temple first because it's almost 12:30 and they close in the afternoon. So I quickly went there. I'm gonna go to the Indian store here, and then only if I don't find all the vegetables, then only I'm gonna go there. But let's see, because last time, I don't know, I believe like when we went to Mexico, before that I went to Asian market. So it's been what, 6 months now? So it's been such a long time, and I chose afternoon time to come here because then it's not that busy. And it's a working day, right? If it's a weekend, then I won't even think about coming here, but it's a weekday, so hopefully won't be that many people here. So let's see, let's go inside. And God, it's such a weird feeling. I have so many those reusable masks, but I like this one better than that one, क्योंकि उसका जो कपड़ा होता है ना, वो थोड़ा थिक होता है, तो पता नहीं, आई कैन ब्रीथ प्रॉपरली इन दैट वन, बट दिस वन इज सो नाइस. तो आजकल मेरे पर्स में और कार में हमेशा मास्क और ग्लव्स रहते ही है. तो लेट मी नो गाइस कि डू यू वेयर ग्लव्स व्हेन यू गो आउट फॉर शॉपिंग, क्योंकि आई फील मोर सिक्योर विद दिस देन टचिंग बेयर हैंड. तो मैं हमेशा ग्लव्स पहन के जाती हूँ. तो आजकल हमारा अमेज़ॉन से शॉपिंग बस यही होता है कि ग्लव्स और मास्क ऑर्डर करते रहते हैं हम लोग. तो बच्चों के लिए और मेरे हस्बैंड के पास, हम चारों के पास वो रीयूजेबल मास्क है. तो माय हस्बैंड इज कंफर्टेबल वेयरिंग दैट वन, बट आई डोंट. एंड बच्चे तो ऑब्वियसली हम इतना कुछ बाहर लेके जाते नहीं है, सो दे आर ओके. But I got my gloves on, mask, and I got wipes, because I know for sure that Indian store and the Asian market won't have those wipes to clean the cart. So I have that one with me. So let's go. Oh my gosh guys, look at this. It is such a convenience, right? गोलगप्पे यहाँ से ले लो, पानी भी तैयार मिलता है आजकल तो. So done with the Indian store, but guess what? I had to go to Asian market. They didn't have cilantro and also a few other vegetables. Now, I understand that it could be because, this Asian market is right next to it, so that's why they might not keep everything here. Because Asian market, it's huge. It's like a Walmart size, so they can afford to keep the price lower compared to Indian store. But I was like, man, I don't want to go there. But I just need a couple of things here and there, and just for that I don't want to make second trip to either Walmart or Wegmans. So I was like, since I'm here, I can be just in and out, and I just need a couple of things, so let's go. The store is like a Walmart. Doesn't matter what time you come, there's always people here. It's not quite busy like weekend, but still, as you can see, there's many people around here. So I'm gonna be quick. And I don't know why Asian market has a particular smell. Like as soon as you come in, you can smell it. I thought mango season is over now, but they still have many boxes here, and it is $15. So to go for grocery shopping nowadays, it's a one thing, but coming home and cleaning all this, it's another big task. So let me walk you through. I'll show you what I bought. So here I have paneer. I bought khoya because I'm gonna make some sweets. Got nanak dahi. Also have malai. For this, you just have to be careful. Read the expiration date, because at my store they have few of them in the front, and they were expiring in a couple of days. So you know how, most of the time we just grab what's in the front. So check the expiration date for that. Also got the Don Sidley batter. And this time I got this mini Kawan paratha. This one actually you can slide it in the toaster and just like, how we toast bread. You can just make it that way. Tastes really good. Also bought this patra. Now this it's basically just a roll, so either you can put some tadka on it. If not, you can deep fry it, because my husband liked deep fried ones and I like the tadka ones, so I bought this. And also has one tandoori naan as well as the paneer paratha. I also bought this pani puri because this weekend is the long weekend, so I thought let me just buy that. And yes, I did not buy the pani, the one that I show you over there. I'm just gonna make it at home. Also bought the roasted chana, got this hakka noodles, fennel powder, this roti. I always buy this one. If you haven't tried, definitely I would highly recommend that try it. एक रोटी उसकी है ना, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से फूलती है और बहुत ही अच्छी आती है ये वाली. Also I got some sesame chicky. ये आर्यन को बहुत पसंद है. Also got this नमक पारा. For vegetables I got भिंडी, green chilies. ये बड़ी वाली green chilies है. लौकी, mint है, green onion है, baby potato, cilantro, करी पत्ता, ये बेबी एग प्लांट्स, कैबेज है, चौली ली मैंने, लॉन्ग बीन्स, टिंडोरा, टमाटर, एग प्लांट और ये हालापिनोस. सो दैट्स इट. एंड या ये मेहंदी लेके आई this time. I thought let me try this one. I usually buy the Ayur one, but seemed like this one has really good ingredients in there, so I thought let me try that. So that's it, guys. These are the things I got it from Indian store. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and put all these things away, and it is 4 o'clock right now. So for dinner tonight I'm making dosa. Since I already have a batter, I was like, I'm just gonna make that because I don't have a strength to make anything else. Nowadays grocery shopping is so tiring. I went there at 12:30. It's 4 o'clock. So it takes me 45 minutes to go there, and while coming, it's a rush hour, so of course traffic was there. And then जाते भी है ना, तो पहले शांति से एक शॉपिंग करते थे ना, वो वाला अब नहीं रहा. Like फटाफट जाओ, निकलो वहाँ से. Especially this Asian store, I was hardly in there for about 10 minutes maybe, and I was out. I was like, oh, I just want to get up from here. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna end this vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.